An unprecedented, record-breaking early season heat wave is officially underway in the western United States. I'm meteorologist Andrew Markowitz, and even though it technically is still winter, we will see numerous daily and monthly records shattered over the next few days. A massive ridge of high pressure, reminiscent of the heat domes we see in the summer, is currently engulfing the western half of the United States. This ridge is the strongest that we have ever seen at this time of year, and areas in pink, which covers parts of 8 states, have potential to challenge daily record highs. As a result, temperatures will soar to 20 to perhaps 30 degrees above normal, which is more typical of June as opposed to the middle of March. The National Weather Service has issued extreme heat warnings for the pink counties in California, Nevada, and Arizona, where temperatures are expected to reach the mid-100s to perhaps even low 110s. And on the heels of one of the warmest winters on record in the western U.S., many cities will shatter all-time March temperature records. In San Francisco, the National Weather Service predicts a maximum high of 86 degrees, breaking the all-time record of 85. Meanwhile, San Jose will obliterate its old record. Not only will this be the first time that San Jose exceeds 90, but it will do so on 3 consecutive days and peak at 96. In Los Angeles, temperatures are expected to soar into the upper 90s to lower 100s. Meanwhile, in Palm Springs, temperatures are expected to soar to 108, which will shatter the previous March record of 104. Meanwhile, Salt Lake City has only hit 80 degrees once in the month of March historically and is expected to do so 3 days in a row, topping out at 83. Denver is expected to reach a high of 87 degrees on Saturday, which would break the all-time record of 84. The record for most consecutive days above 80 is 2, and Denver is currently expected to see 5. Down in Colorado Springs, the all-time record is 81, and they're currently projected to hit 85. More impressively, the all-time record in Las Vegas was 93, but that number is expected to be broken every day for the next week. High temperatures are expected to peak right around 100, and if Vegas does indeed reach the century mark, it would be the first time that's ever happened before the month of May, much less April. But the most impressive and mind-blowing heat will be in Arizona, specifically Phoenix. Phoenix has only hit 100 degrees once in the month of March and could do so every day for the next week, topping out around 106 or 107. To give you an idea of how insane this is, Phoenix does not typically hit the mid-100s for the first time until early June. If Phoenix reaches 107, it would be the earliest occurrence of that by 44 days, or roughly a month and a half. Unfortunately, a negative consequence is that snow cover is currently at or near historic lows across much of the West, and those numbers will continue to decrease. This means that some ski resorts may have to close up their shops extra early, and it could pose an issue with water over the coming weeks and months.